Can't find the comment, but somebody asked me this question again: how do I draw black hair? And if you're really struggling, I'll tag her in the comments or somewhere. Vigalia has some beautiful brushes that you can use, and it'll make your life so much easier. But if you're asking my approach, I guess my question would be to you then: what type of black hair are you trying to draw? And like, if you're just going for the fro look, like how I'm doing here, for the tight coily texture, I just keep it compact. And then there's like a mixed version where it's compact, but then it's also still a little bit curly. And then there's like the frizzy, the curly. And I usually try to like float between these three major ones. But overall, the image that I have in my head is, okay, what does a cloud look like? What does cotton candy look like? And that's how I create the volume. That's my motivation. It's growing, like, how does the hair grow out, not down? How does it come out of the hair? And that's usually how it works well for me to capture the volume, to make sure that it's round in the right places and frizzy, and how I can make sure that it's curly or coily or whatever it is. So yeah.